Want to stretch your shopping budget at Walmart using PayPal credit? Here's your ultimate guide. First things first, ensure you have an active PayPal credit account and are logged in. If you're new to PayPal credit, you'll need to apply and be approved before you can use it. Understanding your credit line is key. On your PayPal account dashboard, you'll see your available credit limit and your minimum payment due. Keep an eye on this so you can make informed purchasing decisions. For in-store purchases, the easiest way is to add your PayPal credit to your digital wallet. Like PayPal's own digital wallet or your phone's native wallet app if supported. This allows for quick contactless payments at the register. Simply open your chosen wallet app, select your PayPal credit, and tap your phone on the payment terminal when prompted. It's that simple for a seamless in-store experience. Now, let's head online, browse Walmart.com as you normally would, and add your desired items to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, look for the PayPal option. When you click the PayPal button, you'll be redirected to your PayPal account. Here, you'll see options for how you want to pay. Crucially, make sure you select PayPal credit as your payment method. You can usually choose it from a drop-down menu or as a distinct button if it's your primary or a readily available funding source. Keep an eye out for special promotional offers from PayPal credit at Walmart. Often, they provide interest-free periods on qualifying purchases, which can save you a significant amount on larger buys. These are usually highlighted during the checkout process. By following these steps and staying aware of their promotions, you can effectively use PayPal credit to manage your spending and make the most of your shopping trips at Walmart, both online and in person.